Matapos pong mapakinggan ng mabuting balita, gusto niya pa po bang maging Katoliko? If there is one thing that Jesus would like us to experience, it is perhaps that being His disciple, being His follower means that we have to be challenged not only at some times but many times. That Christian discipleship is indeed a challenging one. Challenging because we have to go the extra mile. Challenging because we are asked, not only we were, or because we are asked to love those who hate us, pray for those who persecute us, bless those who curse us. Challenging because we are asked to be like God, whose mercy is not only in favor of someone, but whose love, favor, and grace is definitely for everyone. Minsan, kinakailangan din po nating masubukan kung paano tayo iibig, iintindi, at magbibigay, marahil magpapasensya. Marahil sinabi din po natin, iibig lang ako sa madali. Magbibigay lang ako dun sa kakilala ko. Magpapasensya lang ako sa kaya ko. But how about those whom we cannot really reach? How about those emotionally distant from us? Paano naman sila na nangangailangan din ng unawa, pag-ibig, panalangin, at pakikisama natin? We are challenged by our readings today to see that God loves everyone. God is in favor of everyone. God chooses everyone. Walang pinipili si pag-ibig, walang pinapaboran si pag-iintindi, walang sinasayang ang pag-uunawa. Not only some are deserving of God, we all deserve God. We might say to ourselves, we might be the loser, the sinner, the dirtiest, the less giver, the impatient, the unforgiving, but see how God has been giving, loving, and caring you. And as much as God has been giving, loving, and caring you, be the same to yourself and be the same to others. In life, we will encounter those people who will try us. Those we call as enemies. Those we call as our haters. Those who curse us. Those who mistreat us. Just as Jesus has been telling us in our gospel today. Who may even challenge us. And who may even lead us to the peak of our patience and our understanding. They also would need our understanding. They also would need our mercy. Kinaawaan tayo ng Diyos at wala tayong karapatan na magsabi, kami lang ang pwede dito. Kami lang ang dapat. Ako lang ang deserving. But God's mercy is not only deserved by someone, but by everyone. Challenging as it may be again, my dear friends, we ask the Blessed Virgin Mary to accompany us. She whose love is for everyone, and whose love is not picky or choosy. But her presence and love made us say, love is for everyone, care is for everyone, mercy is for everyone, God is for everyone.